I'm Belle here. Welcome back to my videos. Before I start my video today, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed to, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will receive notification when I upload my videos every week. Okay, so today I'm going to do another eye makeup look, which is out of my eyeshadow series, and it is going to be a very simple one whereby there wouldn't be any special techniques and just a simple way, our most conventional way of drawing eyeshadows, because I believe that many people actually do not really dare to put on like more different colors rather than those neutral eyeshadow colors. So I'm going to show you how to actually blend like colors like purple, yes, like purple, and it wouldn't look like so awkward on your eyes, and it's going to be a really simple one. So keep watching my video to see how I create the eyeshadow makeup look today. Okay, so in order to really do these like eyeshadows so easily, you definitely need a good eyeshadow. So the one I'm going to use today is PatMcgrath's this Mothership Midnight Sun. This is not a new release, it's a pretty old palette that I bought previously, and the purple color inside is very nice. Other than that, all the other colors are actually quite nude, or rather earth-toned, or how do I call it? Let me show you. Like orangey or this olive color. Yes, so purple is the only shade that is like more striking and special. So I'm going to use this palette today to show you my makeup today. I finished with the eyeshadow portion, and this is just a really simple eyeshadow application, and I didn't use like those brown color to line this portion. I actually used the red color inside because it actually has a tint of brown. So it is really very simple. So I'm going to put on my lash and come back with the final looks. Okay, so I have put on my lashes and also done my lip with my lips and contouring. And I'm going to run my blush. Just wanted to show you guys the latest blush released by PatMcgrath. This is another shade that I've bought, which is the Divine Rose, because you know I bought the Divine Rose eyeshadow palette as well as the lip gloss. So I wanted to buy this blush as well. Yes, and the lip color on my lips is the Divine Rose lip gloss, also from PatMcgrath. And I will show you how it looks like on my cheeks. I like slightly fairer cheeks. I am not like exactly super fair, but after putting on the makeup is of a rather fairer tone. So I'm going to use this brush from Gloss Edit. Highlighter, just a little bit. And I've created today, which is like purple, but it's a very simple eyeshadow makeup technique. Which I've used is just like a base color, a base color with a lot of sheen. Yes, like nude color, and also highlighting my underbrows, and just a main color which is purple. Yeah, I used my finger because it seems to pick up more of the color in PatMcgrath this Midnight Sun. And I actually use another brush to slightly blend it over until my crease area. Can you see? And also line it with this a little bit of reddish color brown at my eyeliner portion, and use the brown eyeliner as well. And this is really very simple, and I thought that even if you wear a little bit casual, it just match also. So let me tidy up with a little bit of my hair. Okay, this is actually the usual way I will actually put on my makeup on a like casual day basis, like perhaps just a little date out or just for lunch or dinner, and I'll just perhaps wear a little bit casual top and just put on this makeup which is like 1 or 2 tones. Yes, and also with the lashes, I'll let you have another look at my eyes. It is still super plain, but PatMcgrath. So I hope you love my video today, and really hope that you actually put in some of the techniques that I used here and in your daily makeup look as well. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!